Click on Buy Crypto. Select currency, type in the amount, click Quick Trade. Click on Buy USDT button. Copy the order ID to Notepad. Split order ID to groups of 4 to see easier. Your transaction message should include the order ID. Make sure the seller's info is correct. Double check one last time and click Submit. You can take a screenshot as proof of transaction. Click I have completed the payment. Choose correct bank account, click Confirm. Send message to seller to notify them through MEXC. The transaction is completed. Assets/account to check transaction history. You can now see total balance in your wallet.